up, everybody? Feel back replicas of the past. Sorry if my dogs are barking on this here. Gonna take a look at this guy. It's just Jada Toys, Just Trucks, 2006 Nissan Titan. Jada Toys. I think these are all 1/64th, I want to say. 1/64 scale, yeah, 1/64th. Let's bust him out of this here package real quick. Take a quick gander at him here. These are all pretty cool little trucks and stuff. I've been getting these at like my local Walmart, these Jada Toys. And they're actually really pretty neat, I think, for what they are. Simple little trucks, but they're not expensive. Less than $5, I believe, I want to say. Let's take a look at it real quick. Let's measure him up for length and all that. Let's see here. Length, he's about 3.5. Height, he's about 2. Width at the wheels, he's about 2.25. 1/64 scale. Standard stuff here. Take a quick look at him. Got your little Titan Nissan logo there on the back of the tailgate. Up on the side of the white truck, you got your black and white checkered striping over the red there. It says MSP on the door. Daily on the door. 8-pass PAS, maybe is what it says there. Front grille, nice bumper on the front. Can't really see much in the cab there, I don't think. Here's the underneath of the truck. Tires are really cool though, rubber. They are rubber, which is always nice to see. Chrome rims, pretty cool to see. Really a pretty neat little truck. I will do a quick comparison with it here. From a 64 scale International 4166 there, and here is a 66er pulling tractor video I did recent. Pretty cool little truck. I really like these Jada Toys. They're even cheaper than the Greenlight Kings of Crunch trucks. These are less than those. Those are usually about $8, and these are around 4. I think 4 something. Alright everyone, I'll close out this here video. I want to thank everyone that tunes in. This is Phil for Replicas of the Past. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll talk again soon.